Good morning students. How are you? Fine. That's great. I'm also fine. So what is day today? Look here. Today is 28th April 2021 and today the day is Wednesday. What is day today? Today is Wednesday. Our subject is EVS. So in subject EVS previous day what we have learned? We have learned about our ears and nose. Now today we will learn about our tongue. Show me your tongue. Very good. How many tongue do you have? One. What is the color of your tongue? Check. Yes, it is pink in color. It is pink in color. So what is the color of your tongue? Pink. So what do you do with your tongue? You can taste different kind of tongue with your tongue. So first of all, I want to show you this picture. What is this? This is tongue. What is this? Tongue. So I am going to write here tongue. Tongue. So with the help of our tongue, we can taste different things. Like this is an orange. What is the taste of an orange? Sour and sweet. Sour and sweet. So we can taste fruits. And tell me, what is this? I know you all know this. Which fruit is this? This is mango. It is very juicy. It is very juicy. So with the help of our tongue, we can find out the taste of different things. Now I want to show you 4 different things that gives us different kind of taste. Let's start. So students, tell me, what is this? Sugar. What is the taste of the sugar? Sweet. The taste of the sugar is sweet. It is sweet in taste. What is this? Sugar. What is this? Sugar. Now tell me, what is this? Salt. What is this? Salt. Mama put salt in each vegetable, right? Salt. This is salt. This is sugar. Sweet in taste and this is salty. Now tell me, what is this? This is a tomato. What is the taste of the tomato? Sour. What is the taste of the tomato? It is sour in taste. Sour. And tell me, what is this? This is a medicine. Its taste is very bitter. Its taste is very bitter. Do you like to eat medicine? Nobody like to eat medicines. Why? Because it gives bitter taste. So every students, every children like to eat sweet foods. But we have to eat all kinds of foods that gives us energy. Okay. Now see, what is this? Skin. What is this? Your hand, your skin. So with the help of your skin, you can touch anything and you can feel whether it is soft, it is hard, if it is rough or smooth. For example, I want to show you this toy. This is a soft toy. What is this? Soft toy. तो मुझे कैसे पता लग रहा है कि ये सॉफ्ट है? Because I am touching it. मैं इसको छू रही हूँ. With our skin. हम अपनी स्किन से छूकर पता कर सकते हैं कि whether it is soft, hard, rough or smooth. Like this. Okay? This is soft. Now, what is this? This is very hard. This is very hard. I can touch and feel. This is very hard. Now, this is your Hindi book. So, you have to, what do you have to do? You have to take out your any book and you have to put your hand like this. Smooth. 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 Okay? And see, what is this? This is a pouch. Do you know? The texture of this pouch is very rough. It is rough from outside. Rough. It is very rough. So, you have to find out different kind of things in your house. Try to find out. You have to find out things which are soft, which are hard and you have to find out and try to make a video, and then you have to show me. Now you have to do 2 pages of your EVS book. Let's start. So students, this is your EVS book, page number 18, tongue. We taste with our tongue, match the things that taste similar. Here you can see some of the things. This is lemon. Its taste is very sour. So you have to find out which is sour. This side. See, you have to match it with this picture. And this is neem leaf. You have to match with this vegetable. Okay, this is jam. It is sweet in taste. You have to match it with this picture. Okay, in the same way you have to complete this page. Now come to another side. Skin. We feel things with our skin. Mark a cross on the things you should not touch. Here you can see so many things. Many things you should not touch. This is broken glass. If you will touch the broken glass, what will happen? You will get hurt. Knife. You have to be very careful while using the knife. Fire. You should not put your hand in fire. Pillow. It is very soft. You can touch it. Flowers. You can touch it easily. Toys. You can touch it and feel it. Cactus. You should not touch the cactus. Okay. It is harmful. Now, write H for hard and S for soft. Feel. So, pillow. You have to search the pillow in your house. Then you have to touch it. If it is soft, then write here S. Now, this is a log. Wood. So, you have to find out a wood and then you have to touch and then you have to write that is hard or soft. Yes, I know it is hard. So, you have to write here H. In the same way, wool. You have to touch the wool and then you have to write here stones, cotton and branch. You have to touch, feel, and after that you have to write here. For soft things you will write here S, and for hard things you will write H. Okay, in this way you will complete this page. Now I want to show you your EVS notebook. So in your EVS notebook, first you have to write down today's date here. Okay, and then you will draw a picture of a tongue like this. Try to draw it by yourself. Okay, tongue. Then you will write the spelling TONGUE, tongue. So what do you like to eat? That picture you have to draw here. I like to eat ice cream. So I am going to draw a picture of an ice cream. Okay. Now skin. For the skin you can draw here a picture of your hand like this. Okay. And then you will write here skin. 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 So we should not touch the cactus. You can draw the picture of a cactus or you can touch the cotton easily. You can draw the picture of a cotton. You can draw the picture of cactus. So anything that you can touch and feel, that things you can draw. This is a picture of a cactus that you can draw easily. Okay, do it by yourself. Before this already you have done ear and nose. Now today you will do tongue and skin. Draw these two pictures, color it beautifully, and the things that you like to eat, draw here, and the things that you can touch or you cannot touch, that hurts you, that thing also you can draw here. In this way you have to complete this work. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.